Aw. I like this one. Let's see. The body? Aw. Oh, look at that. I bet it's cold or something, so... Oh, what's just there? There we go. We're done.
Johnny?
Yeah?
When was the first time you heard a naughty word?
First time I heard a naughty word was when I was a child. I heard it from the chicken. The granny, she went wild. The granny says, now Johnny, the chicken's head on curse. Big horse says I to granny, 'twas the chicken said it first. Now this is chicken talk.